Hey everyone, it's Jack from 60 Second Film School here with a very quick tip. We're just setting up to record a podcast now in a kitchen, as it was the most convenient location to do it in today. It's not the ideal filming setup, there's lots of natural light coming through the windows and it's very up and down, it's a bit sunny and a bit cloudy outside, so the light's changing all the time. So I'm going to show you a very quick tip on when you want to control the light and you haven't got too much at your disposal. So as you can see, there's lots of natural light coming in through the window. A very quick tip, if you get a little bit of water and just splash it on the window, then some normal kitchen foil. Sticks nicely to the window, no mess, and blocks out the light.